Your credit score. That three-digit number can shape your entire financial life. For some, it's a ticket to opportunity. For others, it feels like a wall they can never climb. But here's the truth. No matter how bad it seems, you can turn it around. Let me show you how. Imagine starting with a credit score of 520. Late payments, maxed out cards, and collections dragging it down. That's where Tyler was. A single missed payment spiraled into more, and soon it felt impossible to fix. But Tyler refused to give up. Step 1. Understanding the damage. He pulled his credit report. Every late payment, every error, it was all there, staring back at him. But knowledge is power. He spotted a mistake, an account that wasn't even his. Tyler filed a dispute online, and within 30 days it was gone. Scene shows a red mark disappearing from the credit report. Step 2. Strategic payments. Next, he tackled his balances. Tyler focused on the credit utilization ratio, the percentage of his available credit he was using. With $5,000 in total limits and $4,500 in debt, his ratio was suffocating his score. So he used the snowball method, making larger payments on the smallest debt first while maintaining minimums on the rest. Each payment chipped away at the balance, and his score began to breathe again. Step 3. Building positive history. Tyler needed a fresh start. He opened a secured credit card with a $300 deposit. Every month he spent only what he could pay off in full. Groceries, gas, nothing extravagant. And each on-time payment, it was like planting a seed. Over months, they grew into a healthy green forest of positive credit history. Step 4. Patience and persistence. It wasn't overnight, but by month 6, Tyler saw his score climb to 620. By the end of the year, 700. And 2 years later, he was at 780. The mistakes of the past were no longer holding him back. Conclusion. Here's the transformation, from rejected loan applications and stress to approval letters and peace of mind. It's not magic and it's not luck. It's taking control, one step at a time. So pull your report, tackle the errors, lower your balances, build good habits, and watch that score rise, not just for the number, but for the life it unlocks.